So we are right now in Aracaju. But no, wait, this vlog is not about that. This vlog is about us preparing to go on our road trip to the northeast of Brazil. So come along and watch us prepare for this amazing trip to come. Right, Bella?
I love you, Bella.
Elci, you're the only wife that I know of all my friends, all my multitude of friends. Not. All my life, guys, I've only had like 2 or 3 friends. That's just been my thing. I never believed in having fake friendships and blah, blah, blah. I always had 1 or 2 really good friends that I could count on anytime. And they remain my really good friends. So that being said, I don't know anybody whose wife cuts their husband's hair. Now, some of them are bald, so there's no hair to cut. So we don't talk about those wives. But my wife, and this month, today's the 6th of May, in 2 weeks we celebrate 10 years of marriage. Where did that time go? But the reason I decided to propose to Elci is because she could cut my hair. And in the US, I was paying like $70 every 2 or 3 months to cut my hair. So me being Indian, I did the math. It said $70 times 7 or 8 every year times 10 years. That's the amount of money I can save by marrying Elci. That's a joke. But Elci is so talented. She's a great cook. She's a great seamstress. She's talented in a multitude of things, including cutting hair. You know, I am so blessed. Love you, Elci. What do you think? Right? I just saved $70 US. Ba-bang! You know, it's been 8 long months since we went on a road trip. And Elci is an excellent planner. And she decided to sit down one day and just plan a trip to the northeast of Brazil. And after she's done, I'm sure every T is going to be crossed and every I is going to be dotted for our upcoming trip to the northeast of Brazil. And of course, Elci's talents don't just stop at planning trips. She loves to clean the house and here, as you see, the car. Because of course, you cannot go on a trip in a dirty car after all, right? Go on, Bella. Go inside. Good girl, Bella. We're gonna be traveling soon. And look at this, we finally figured out how to install the Starlink with magnets. You know, Brazil has no problems with internet, especially in the cities. However, when you're traveling between cities, depending on the distance, there is very little coverage on the internet. So, like many people do here in Brazil, we purchased the Starlink Mini, which is a mobile version of the Starlink. And this way we'll be able to have access as we're driving, to make hotel reservations, etc., etc. Life is going to be much easier with this gizmo right there. So tomorrow is a big day. It's a big day because we're going on a road trip again. It's been many, many, many months since we've left the house, but tomorrow, especially since now that the van has sold, we get to take another beautiful trip in our car. The last one was all the way to Rondônia, which is in western Brazil, close to the border to Bolivia and Peru. And this one, starting tomorrow, is going to be to the northeast. We're headed out to Recife. We're headed out to Olinda, which is close to Recife. Then after that, we're going to go to Natal, where we're going to spend about 10 or 11 days. maybe after that we're going to go check out Fortaleza as well. But we're going to be gone for some time, and we cannot wait to travel again and explore parts of Brazil that we haven't seen yet.
Uhul! Finalmente! Aqui estamos nós, na nossa viagem que planejamos tantas vezes, não deu certo. Mas hoje estamos quebrando um padrão de ficar só em casa. E choveu ontem à noite e eu pensei que ia ser uma viagem estragada, mas graças a Deus o sol está brilhando. E tem alguém também ali atrás que estava toda ansiosa, achando que ia ficar, como algumas vezes a gente sai e ela fica, mas hoje ela entrou na caixinha dela e o colchão eu lavei, coloquei uma colônia que ajuda a acalmar. E assim que ela entrou na casinha, tá calminha lá dormindo. Feliz porque nós estamos passeando.
Realmente sou muito feliz também, porque cada mês eu pedi Elci, por favor, quero viajar. Realmente 8 meses são passados depois nossa última viagem até Rondônia. Nossa viagem até Rondônia é em setembro, agora é maio. O tempo passa muito rápido, gente. Muito rápido. É bem mais necessário para você realizar isso. É viver um tipo de vida com um pouco aventura. Só em casa. Não é bom para sua alma, para sua saúde. Procurar um pouco aventura em sua vida, tá? Como nós. É bela também. Você gosta do meu português? If you're ever feeling depressed, sitting at home, looking at the same things over and over again, the best advice that Elci and I could give you is jump on your car and go look at something different for a change. It is absolutely the best therapy there is. Obrigado, valeu! You know, just like in life, not everything is a beautiful, bright, sunny day. Sometimes it rains, and it's then that you really appreciate those sunny days.
My love, stop somewhere and I'm gonna put this in the back of the car, okay?
That's a great idea, Elci. Beautiful, Elci. Now we're gonna have 1 million followers. Yay! Not. I love this dog, and this dog loves me.
praia e à noite.